Mechanical keyboards are growing in popularity among gamers and typists for their tactile feedback, durability, and customizable layouts. Choosing the right one often comes down to switch type, build quality, and value. Similarly, when it comes to portable router tables, woodworkers look for stability, precision, and convenience. Whether for hobbyists or professionals, the best router tables act as a crucial menu.
List number 1. Bosch RA1141 Portable Benchtop Router Table. The Bosch RA1141 Portable Benchtop Router Table is one of the most user-friendly and versatile options for woodworking enthusiasts. Its standout feature is the folding leg design, which allows quick setup and compact storage, making it ideal for small workshops or contractors on the go. Equipped with easy-click mounting, this router table ensures fast attachment and detachment of routers without the need for complicated tools. The smooth, laminated top provides precision while routing, minimizing friction for cleaner cuts. The adjustable fence, with featherboards included, improves accuracy and safety by keeping workpieces steady during operation. Another major advantage is the onboard storage compartments, which allow users to keep accessories, bits, and tools within reach. This makes the Bosch RA1141 not only portable, but also highly practical for continuous projects.
List number 2. The SKILR RT1323-01 Router Table and 10-amp Fixed Base Router Kit. The SKIL RT1323-01 Router Table and Router Kit is an excellent value package for beginners and DIY woodworkers. Unlike standalone router tables, this set comes with a 10-amp fixed base router, giving users a complete solution right out of the box. The table itself features a large laminated working surface, providing ample space for different woodworking projects. Its aluminum fence with adjustable faceplates ensures smooth guiding of materials, making it easier to achieve professional quality edges and joints. The kit also includes feather boards, a miter gauge, and bit height adjustment, making it versatile for multiple routing tasks. One of the standout advantages is the dust collection port, which helps maintain a cleaner workspace while improving visibility during cutting. The powerful router complements the table with consistent performance, handling hardwoods and softwoods effectively. For hobbyists and entry-level woodworkers, this SKIL package offers affordability, convenience, and versatility. It's a perfect starter kit for anyone who wants to invest in woodworking without the hassle of purchasing separate tools.
List number 3. SKILR SRT 1039 Benchtop Portable Router. The SKILR SRT 1039 Benchtop Router Table is designed for those who value simplicity and portability. Compact yet sturdy, it's well suited for workshops where space is limited, or for users who want a lightweight, easy-to-carry option. The table includes a smooth laminated surface, which enhances material feed and ensures precision in cuts. It also comes with adjustable fences and featherboards, which provide both safety and improved accuracy. The onboard storage compartment is another plus, keeping accessories organized and easily accessible. Its design allows for compatibility with a wide range of routers, making it versatile for various tasks such as edge routing, trimming, and grooving. The adjustable guard and dust collection port ensure clean and safe operation, which is especially important in compact workshop spaces. While it may not offer the same level of industrial power as larger models, the SKIL SRT 1039 is an excellent option for DIY enthusiasts, hobbyists.
Number 4. Rockler Trim Router Table, Adjustable Table Router. The Rockler Trim Router Table is a compact and innovative solution for woodworkers who frequently use trim routers. Unlike traditional router tables, this model is designed for trim and compact routers, making it perfect for detail work, edge routing, and precision trimming. Its adjustable fence ensures flexibility for different applications,
and the laminated top provides smooth, accurate routing performance. The table is small enough to fit on any bench top, yet strong enough to handle continuous use. It's also highly portable, making it a favorite among contractors and mobile woodworkers. One of its best features is its quick setup and breakdown design, allowing users to save time when switching between tools. Despite its small size, it offers surprising stability and precision, which is essential for tasks like decorative edgework and cabinetry.
List number 5. O-School Quick Convertible and Foldable Benchtop Trim. The O-School Quick Convertible and Foldable Router Table is designed with flexibility and portability in mind. Its foldable design makes it highly convenient for transport and storage, ideal for woodworkers who move between job sites or have limited shop space. This model stands out for its quick convert system, which allows it to be transformed from a benchtop router table into a compact trim setup within minutes. This adaptability gives users the advantage of handling both small trim projects and larger routing tasks with one machine. The durable laminated top ensures a smooth work surface for consistent precision. Adjustable fences, featherboards, and onboard accessory storage enhance both accuracy and convenience. The dust collection feature keeps the work area clean, which is especially valuable in compact workshops. For woodworkers who want a multifunctional and foldable solution,